Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can apply artistic effects to a picture in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So we need first to open Microsoft Word, to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Or if you already have your document that has a picture in it, then just simply open it as to where you have saved it. Now here, we just need to simply insert a picture. So click on the Insert tab. You'll find Picture. Click on this device. And I have a picture from here, so I'm just going to insert this. Now once the picture is inserted, you will notice the Picture Format tab right here at the top. So make sure to select the picture first, because if you're not going to select the picture, then the Picture Format tab will not appear here. So click on the picture to select it, and you'll find the Picture Format tab. Click on that. And here you'll find artistic effects. Add artistic effects to the picture to make it look more like a sketch or painting. So click on this drop down arrow. So that is the purpose of artistic effect, to make it look like a sketch or painting. So here you have different designs, different effects that you can choose from. So it's up to you whether you like this glow edges, this one photocopy, this one cut out, this one plastic wrap, this one pastel smooth, this one crisscross etching, and a lot more. So it's up to you as to what do you like or what do you prefer. So I'm just going to go with this one, paintbrush. And as you can see, it looks like a painting, right? It looks like a sketch or a drawing or a painting. That's it. That's how you can easily add artistic effects to a picture in your Microsoft Word document. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.